Hello beauties, you're welcome to GLOWRITE Beauty World and Skincare channel. This channel is all about skincare, how to formulate effective skincare products which are 100% organic and chemical free. And here on this channel we also share skincare tips and DIY recipes that will help you to achieve a smooth, flawless and even toned complexion. In this video I'll be sharing with you how you can make your own natural homemade face mask that you can apply on your face to achieve a fast and effective result. Finding these ingredients to make this face mask is not hard, as you might have them in your homes right now, but the secret of success using this face mask is that you have to stay consistent in order to see these amazing results, okay, of this face mask. This is natural and also very effective, and you need to stay consistent. All right, so when I say to see a fast result, I mean this works very fast, and you'll be seeing results between 10 to 14 days. So that's why I'm saying that you need to stay consistent. If possible, take it as a challenge. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into the video. All you need is gram flour. I'll be using corn flour. I'll be using 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Corn flour contains essential nutrients that helps to naturally exfoliate and fade clear dark spots and also brighten the skin. This is yogurt, and yogurt can be moisturizing, brightening and toning to your skin. Just make sure you are using plain white and unsweetened yogurt. It helps to soothe irritated skin and aid skin repair. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Honey is moisturizing, purifying and nourishing for the skin. It helps to treat acne and it's good for a dry skin. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of honey. And I will also be adding just a bit of turmeric powder, and the best turmeric powder for the skin is the white turmeric. The turmeric helps to treat and fade dark spots, blemishes. It is a natural skin lightener and it will help to give you a lighter, clearer and an even skin tone. So you just need to add a little bit of the turmeric powder. So the next is milk. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of fresh milk. So milk is a natural exfoliant. What I mean that it helps to get rid of dead skin cells. So this helps to treat acne and reduces blemishes. It has anti-aging properties and it will help to soothe irritated skin. So just in case you have a dry skin, okay, this face mask is not just meant for only oily or normal skin type. So if you have dry skin, I will advise that you add this vitamin E. So vitamin E is an antioxidant and it helps to prevent the skin from the sun's damaging effect. It contains anti-aging properties, like the skin loves vitamin E. So if you have a capsule, just add 1 capsule or a teaspoon of vitamin E oil. So give the ingredients a good stir and ensure that it's paste-like consistency and okay to be applied on the face. You are to apply this face mask on the face either in the morning or in the evening and leave it to sit on your face at least for 30 to 1 hour before you rinse it off. Or if you notice that it is up to like 70 to 80% dry, you can rinse it off. Do this 4 times a week to see amazing results. All right, you will notice that your pimples and acne are drying up, and the dark spots on your face will start to fade away. And you also notice that your face will become more brighter, and it will have, and if you have that redness or irritated skin, this mask will be good for you. Those with dry skin is not left out. Your overall face will look youthful and radiant. If you find this video helpful and you would like to see more of it, please subscribe to this channel to stay updated. Thanks for watching. See you soon.